mayang gabi. So nami diri karon sa di maklaro Balay Busay. Sumolok. Balay Busay, guys. So we will try their food here. So that's why we are here, because we have our visitor from England, Maria Fenwick. Support her, guys. And that's my Otoging Supra. Sora. Duty man. So we will update you guys going up. So we will see the view. So that's going down, guys, and then parking area. Then that's going up, guys, to tops. So we are here at Balay Busay, guys. So let's check it in, guys. What tower mo na diya? Go. Let's check. Let's check inside. Maayong pag-abot sa Balay Busay. So we have the alcohol. Can you press the alcohol, please? Thank you. Sanitizer. Okay. So this is the Balay Busay, guys. Balay Busay. Finally, guys, makatry namin dito, guys. Maying gabi, Philippines, Cebu. So this is their view, guys. So dahil yung sauce ka, tugnaw na dito, guys. Tugnaw na ang area. So overlooking the city view, guys. Yeah. Hi, Juby. Please support our vlog. So, dito sa Abos, guys, lain po dito. Lahi sa Nadia, restaurant. So that's the city view, guys. Lain na diyan, lain. Yes. So nalit bagong nahuman diri kaon, guys. Mahos naglapa og kaon. Yeah, very nice view. So makita po diri ang seaside. Seaside na or the new bridge, Mandaue, Lapu-Lapu, Consolacion, guys. So this is Balay Busay, guys. Welcome. So let's check it out, guys, later. Ang family. Litang family. Litang family. This is Litang family. Hi. Hi.
Babay si mami na nakaslikod.
Balik mo na. Tara. Oh. Hi.
Babay na mi.
Hi.
Wow, chicken.
Chicken.
Nanindot kayo ng
Tinola. The belly.
Wow.
Okay. Our food, guys. Our food. Our food, guys.
Ha? Wala to. Basically yan.
Malamig kaon, guys. Hello, guys. Siya, wak pa sila naman sa cheesecake. Naghihimo ni Marquez. Cheesecake Toblerone. So, unsa may kasulti niyo sa ilang pagkaon diri? Ay, matay. Unsa may kasulti sa ilang pagkaon diri, guys? Kung sa'yo na kasulti.
Guys, take. Ano sila guys?
Kung sa'yo kasulti mo lang.
Ako?
Ilang pagkaon.
Okay. Alright.
Or edible. That's your call.
Magpalumba sila Jo dito.
So, Paul, tinaw mo unsa medyo kasulti sa ila pagkaon. Okay raman, baga napubos man. Ikaw, Jog. Ano may kasulti mo dyan? So, okay na daw.
Sinigang talaga. Tapos ding-ding.
Pero kay Gingging, kulang pa yung pagkasinigang.
Kulang ng asim.
O, kulang ng asim. Pero para sa atin, maasim na. Pero sa kanya, kulang pa. So, anyway guys.
Maasim talaga si Gingging.
So, we're celebrating the extended version of birthday of Maju and Beans.
Maju, beans. Ako na diha.
Beans and Maju. There, Maju
Usa nun
and Beans.
So, binti.
Beans ka? Maju ka? So, guys. That's all, guys.
Birthday sa kuno niya, pagwan. Extended sa apin sa
Oh, September 1 sa ito siya.
apin sa kuno sa
August.
September gyapon.
August the one is sleeping. August 24.
Tago man. Ano ka Sandy? Kalibang siguro. Ha?
So, that's all, guys. See you on my next vlog, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially to my Loves Ellen channel. Please do subscribe, follow. So, bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.